Ang Bitin is one of the most iconic and long-standing Chinese Filipino food brands in the Philippines. Best known for its hopia, tikoy, mooncakes, and other traditional delicacies with a modern twist. It was founded since 1912 in Binondo, Manila, and we are here visiting their main branch. Chinese New Year is right around the corner, so there are a lot of people already buying Chinese delicacies. For hopia, they have ube, kondol, red mongo, pandan, ube makapuno, ube keso, durian, even sisig, pinya, custard, buko custard. Their specialty, they have brownies hopia, and golden meat floss. As for tikoy, they have mango sticky rice, pandan, sweet corn, strawberry, peanut sesame, brown, dulce de leche, white. We also sell different kind of mochis. They have xiaolongbao, wonton, hakao, dumplings, steamed spare ribs, chicken feet, premium siomai, and special lava buchi. May rellenong Cameron sila, siopaw, ube siopaw, kikiam, siomai, lava pao, and dumplings. And meron pa, patatim. At ang reason na magpunta ko is yung Kitaifi Pistachio Mooncake na hirap hanapin sa ibang branches niya kundi dito lang sa main branch meron. So punta na kayo dito for the upcoming Chinese New Year kasi mahaba talaga pila and dalawa lang yung cashiers dito so need mo ng kasama para may pumila sa'yo. So happy Chinese New Year! Bye-bye!